I always enjoyed learning about the mechanics of how things work, but I never really thought of myself as a computer person. However, after attending a Girls Who Code summer immersion program, I realized I really enjoy coding. I started exploring everything and anything to do with the STEM field. Since then at KO, I've done robotics and AP computer science, really anything I can do to get more exposure to computer science and engineering. My teachers have been incredibly supportive and encouraged my interest at every turn. This past summer, I actually attended a 4-week camp at MIT during which I programmed driverless cars to sense their environment and race with 14 other cars on the track. Programming definitely surprised me with how creative and flexible it is, and I found it to be something I really enjoy doing. Also, with the advances in technology coming out on an almost daily basis, I might get a job that doesn't even exist yet. That possibility to be a part of creating something entirely new is what really excites me about computer science.